You have already learned how to divide an expression by a monomial. So in order to divide an expression by a monomial, we need to divide each term of the expression by the monomial. So we divide each term of the expression by a monomial and we get dividing 5x to the power 4 by 3x square. We get 5 by 3 x square minus 6 by 3 gives us 2, x cube by x square gives us x plus 3x square by 3x square gives us 1. So we divide each term of the expression by the monomial. But what if we have to divide an expression by another expression which is not a monomial? That is, if we have to divide an expression with an expression containing more than one term. So, how do we divide this expression by this expression? X square plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. So, the first step is to factorize both the expressions. So, we need to factorize this and write it in terms of the product of its irreducible factors. So we see that this is the square of x. This term is the square of 2. In fact, we can write this expression as x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. So this is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as a plus b whole square, that is x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 2. So we can write it like this, x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 2. Now x plus 2 whole square is x plus 2 into x plus 2. So we can write it like this, x plus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. Now, this factor, that is x plus 2, is common among the numerator and the denominator. So we can cancel it out. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 gets cancelled and we are left with an x plus 2 in the numerator. So this is the result of the division of these two expressions. So if I divide x squared plus 4x plus 4 by x plus 2, I get x plus 2. You can check it by multiplying. So if you multiply x plus 2 with x plus 2, you will get x squared plus 4x plus 4. So the first step to divide an expression by another expression is to cancel out the common factors in both the expression. Now divide 16x squared minus 49 by 4x minus 7. So we need to divide this by this, that is 16x squared minus 49 by 4x minus 7. Now 16x squared is 4x whole square and 49 is 7 whole square. So we can write the numerator as 4x whole square minus 7 whole square. This is of the form a square minus b square. Now recall the identity for a square minus b square. It is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it as 4x plus 7 into 4x minus 7. We can write the numerator as this, 4x plus 7 into 4x minus 7. And the denominator remains 4x minus 7. Now we see that 4x minus 7 is common in numerator and denominator. So we can cancel it out. So 4x minus 7 gets cancelled and we are left with 4x plus 7. So this is the result of division of these two expressions. Now let us solve one more example. X plus 4 into x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 8. So we write it like this. Now we see that numerator is already in the factorized form. From the denominator, we can take 2 common from both the terms. It is 2 into x and it is 8. So we can write it as 2 into 4. So 2 is common from both the terms, 2x and 8. So we take 2 common and write the denominator as x plus 4 into 2, 2 into x plus 4. Now we see that in the numerator and denominator, we have x plus 4 common. So what can we do? We can cancel them out. So x plus 4 gets cancelled from the numerator as well as denominator. And we are left with x minus 3 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So we have x minus 3 by 2. Now, it is very simple to divide by 2. We have to divide each term by 2. So we write it as x by 2 minus 3 by 2. And this is the result of this division, x by 2 minus 3 by 2. So the first step to divide two expressions is to factorize both the expressions and cancel out the common factors.